resident guitar lovers, sometimes shit happens. What happened? Okay, I broke my guitar neck. Okay, this neck. Can you tell the difference? I'll show you later. Okay, but luckily I fixed it. All right, I tell you the way I fixed it. Okay, hope this can help. Well, long story short. Okay, after practice, I put this guitar back to one of the guitar stand like that. Maybe I didn't put in a correct way. Maybe a little bit lean forward. Okay, and then this guitar fell like this. Okay, like this on the floor. Okay, I don't have a carpet here. Okay, if I have a carpet, maybe a little bit better. You know, I just heard a loud noise. Okay, and then after I turn around and look, this guitar head, completely kind of like snapped. Okay, a little bit, still attached. Okay, with the strings. Okay, also it's not really completely separate. Okay, the broke off from the neck. Okay, still connected with some wood parts. All right, and then I checked. Okay, I figured a way I can fix it. Okay, I think well it's fixable. Okay, how I did it. Okay, just to let you know, I don't really need too much money. You only need a few tools. Okay, if you can do a little bit repair for minor things, everybody can do it. Okay, can save you big bucks probably. Right, you don't have to change or throw away your guitar or anyway. So I prepared buy a new one actually. Anyway, what I did, what you need. Okay, I don't have any wood glue. Okay, I just have this one. All right, this one actually is can use to bond everything, metal, wood, everything. Okay, this what I have in handy. Okay, and I just put it. The cracks here. Okay, it's wrong here. Okay, let me show you the way. Okay, you can see the 4 screws here. Okay, you need the screws also. All right, so here's I don't know if you can see the line. It's like this. Right, from here all the way turn around, go up here. Okay, kind of like this. Right, I just squeeze some this glue in there. Okay, I use a toothpick. Okay, spread inside. Okay, and then I put this back on. Okay, like this, and secure and connect them. Okay, together. But I figure, okay, this I don't trust this glue. Okay, because I know the lots of tension. All right, so I figure, okay, if I use some other thing to fasten this part, maybe more secure. Okay, I figure I have some screw like this. Okay, screw like this, like this. Right, this side like that. Okay, this is wood screw, right? Not for metals. See, the length depends. Okay, the length I chose. This only I have. I know I don't want to use the one that's too long. This one I just feel it's moderate. It's okay, right? So after I actually I just drew one hole usually. Okay, at the beginning I drew one hole. I put glue. Okay, I put glue. That's a step. Let me go back. Okay, I figure okay I need drill some hole here, right? I drill one hole. Okay, you just choose your the place you want to choose. Okay, you feel where it is secure. I chose here. Okay, because I see inside there's lots of thick wood in there. Most likely I can use screw to fasten it. Okay, so then I apply the glue. Okay, after I apply glue and put it back, and I put this screw in there and use screwdriver and tighten it, turn up, and then after that means this head is secured. Okay, will not move. And then I drill other three of them. Okay, I drill out 3 of them. Okay, depending on your guitar, you may need 1 or 2. I think at least you need 2 here. Okay, that's the part I chose. Actually, I think 2 maybe not secure enough. I need more than that. Okay, I drilled 4 of them. Okay, just use screwdriver, tighten up. Okay, and I tight all the way. Okay, because I'm not sure, because inside a little bit wood, how it's not really thick. I don't know if this one can really work. Okay, maybe after there's a string, when you tighten the string, it still break off. Okay, it's not strong enough. I screw all the way. The result is this screw, okay, penetrate all the way, come off from another side. Okay, it look ugly, but it's not really. You cannot really see. But other 2 or 3 under this guard, you cannot see it. All right, but only these 2 on the side. Okay, there's a little bit here. You cannot really tell, you know. But if you choose the right place, they are going to be under this. Okay, I didn't really consider about that. Okay, I just choose the place I think on the bike. Okay, the most likely can make this work secure, right? And then come out from this side. Okay, that's what I need. Okay, I feel okay. I believe even look ugly, but it's more secure because I know this one is hard enough. Okay, to bound this crack part and all the way. Okay, secured. Okay, if inside a little bit short, I don't know. Okay, I don't know where the screw is. Okay, but like this, okay, I'm pretty sure. Okay, it's strong enough. And then this happened yesterday. Okay, and today, okay, and the tighten string, everything's good. Okay, everything's good. Okay, if you think this one is ugly, you can put some makeup. Okay, put something to block it. Right? So, but anyway, I don't really care too much. Okay, so in this case, luckily, okay, even shit happens, it didn't really break other parts. Everything's good. Right? Everything's good. Okay, so lesson learned. Okay, next time I have to put this one secure. Put that little thing on. Okay, so I hope it will not happen again. And luckily, still, I don't have to buy another one.